though. Let's get straight to the Low Country's Chief Meteorologist Rob Fowler for a very close-up look on what the Low Country can expect from this storm. Rob, what do you see?
Well, a lot to talk about, guys. And one thing I want to show you, this live look at Folly Beach. It'll be a lot different 24 hours from now because we expect the main impacts from Isaias to move in here late afternoon and into the evening tomorrow. So it looks like the waves are really crashing. They'll continue to get higher as the storm gets a little bit closer. Also, rip currents. Please be careful at the beach. We encourage you not to go tomorrow. The weather will go downhill pretty quickly. A couple of things on the wide satellite perspective. You probably see that in addition to Isaias. That could potentially be a tropical depression, but it's moving north already. Don't worry about that. I think after Isaias, we're going to get a break for a little while, but you can see what's going on now. The center of circulation is right about there. And one thing to note, a lot of the thunderstorm activity, the energy away from the center. That's why it really hasn't strengthened yet, even though it's over the warm Gulf waters, the jet stream. But the bottom line is it looks like it has a chance, a small window still, because it is moving to the north. It is moving over the Gulf Stream waters, which are generally 84 to 86 degrees out here, and it has a chance, a window, maybe bumping up just a little bit. The Hurricane Center did bump the winds back up to 70 miles an hour in the latest advisory. One thing to note on the radar perspective, you get a great look at where the center of circulation is. You also notice a lot of the rain to the north and east of the center, and then you've got to go a little farther to the east, and it looks like the rain ends. But keep in mind now, the radar only goes out so far, so there's rain out where we can't see it, but as it gets closer, obviously. So it's about 70 miles to the east of Melbourne, roughly 320 miles to the south-southeast of Charleston. That is the center, but you see we've got rain well in advance of the center on the northern side, and even some really far outer rain bands we could certainly feel late tonight and into tomorrow morning, as you see some of those showers and thunderstorms well offshore trying to make a run for the coast here later on. In fact, here's our forecast model kind of giving you a look. The winds coming in from the east generally through the night tonight. Then we start to see by morning time some of those waves of rain come in. And when these waves of rain come in, yes, heavy rain is a potential and some gusty winds. This is in the morning time. Then as we head through the afternoon, lunchtime, we'll start to see more showers spread this way. Then we get into 5 o'clock. So about 24 hours from now, that's when we're really going to start to see the winds ramp up as well as the rain. Right now, based on the current track, it looks like the highest winds will stay offshore, but they're going to be very, very close. And the area of most concern for us would be from Charleston northward. So upper Charleston County, Georgetown County, there's even the potential we could see a South Carolina landfall as this system continues to push off to the north and northwest. Here's the midnight look, and still at that time, we're talking about heavy rainfall and some gusty winds. And then by early on Tuesday morning, starts to pull out of our area and move up to the north and east into upper South Carolina and southeastern North Carolina. So that's kind of a snapshot of what we think Isaias is going to do over the next 24 to 36 hours, guys.